Turn on party mode on Discord. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So as you can see here, I am on my phone, but you can do this too on your PC or laptop or Mac. But if you go to the mobile app, it will not have this feature. So you will not have party mode on the Discord mobile app. But right here, I am on my phone. I went to Google Chrome and then went to the desktop site. So if you click on those three lines, three dots from the right top corner, you will find at the bottom desktop site, and this is how you can get it if you are on your phone. But if you are on your PC, the page will be just like this. So keep on watching because it's the same. So as you can see, I went and logged in to my Discord and got this option right here. It's time for party mode because they celebrate their 7th birthday. So click on check it out. And if you do not have it from there, you can just go back. Go to your settings from the bottom of the screen. Right here. And then here at app settings, you will find appearance, and then at the fourth option, it's party mode. So click on that. And here, if you want to turn on this, you can turn it on from here. And they already say that this is available for a limited time, so make sure that you do this fast. They say there will be motion like confetti and screen shakings. You can disable party mode at any time or customize your experience below, so click on enable. That was really cute. So if you scroll down, you can see here that you'll have combos, enable screen shakes. This is already turned on. Confetti, message reactions. So yeah, now let's go back and type in a message and see what it looks like. Let's type in something. Yeah, so I will have to go back because if I'm typing, it does not show the confetti, so I have to toggle this on. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below and I will answer to your questions immediately. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.